Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you missed last week's episode, we traveled from the Great Salt Lake State Park in Utah to Martin Landing in Parma, Idaho, and then on to Bend, Oregon, bringing our total trip mileage since leaving Arizona to 1,386 miles. We took our two cats to the vet in preparation for crossing into Canada, and we were surprised by a blizzard on Mount Bachelor. There's plenty more of our journey to Alaska ahead, so stick around for episode number 3. Good morning.
Good morning.
So today we're leaving Bend, Oregon, and we're heading to South Jetty 1000 Trails.
In Florence, Oregon, by the beach and the sand dunes.
It's cool and rainy, perfect day for driving in my opinion. We just finished dumping our tanks, so we're ready to go. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready to go. Maggie's already napping. She's ready to go.
She's already asleep, so okay, well let's hit the road.
Let's go.
All right.
Next destination.
The beach. Hey there.
Alright.
Well, we made it to Florence, Oregon. It's kind of breezy coming off the water here.
Well, we're kind of up on a hill.
Yeah, we're kind of up on a hill, and you see the Oregon coastline behind us is amazing. We love it. You walk up this big steep hill, and that's the best shot, is a view of that water.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So we're gonna go down and play on the beach a little bit.
Wear this dog out.
Here she goes. Let me see. You found a rock? Oh, pretty. Cool.
Different, huh?
Yeah. Get your ball. Oh, she's crazy. Gotta love the Oregon coast. Woohoo! Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So one of the attractions on the Oregon coast here by Florence that we never made it to last year were the sea lion caves. So we're gonna go check them out, take you guys along and see if there are any sea lions in the cave today.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah, might be a roll of the dice, but we'll see what happens.
We'll see. It is super windy.
It is super windy today, yeah. It's not too bad the temperature, but it's just super windy.
Wind.
You can see the beautiful ocean behind us. Yeah. Turning up a little bit angry today.
Yep. No fishing out there today.
Oh, it's windy. Hi, good. How are you?
Have you guys been here before?
No.
So once you get your tickets, you'll head right down the stairs here.
Okay.
Pathway to the right will take you to the elevator and down into the cave.
Okay.
There's over 100 sea lions down there today, as well as other things to see. You just go after.
Okay. Going down, down, down. She said there's over 100 sea lions in the cave today, so sweet. We still got to go down. Back into the sunlight. So let's take the elevator. All right, you ready? Oh, we made it. Smells like fish. Well, there's quite a few sea lions in here today. It looks like she said 100. I'm not going to stand here and count them, but this is pretty crazy. You can see them up over here. The lighting's not that great. I apologize for that, but we are in a cave, so. But yeah, this is pretty cool. The sea is a little angry today, which makes it a little interesting. Some of them down here below. See if I can pan down. Some of them down here below kind of got drowned a minute ago when the surf came in. So it's what, $14 an adult to get in? And this is pretty cool. It's not a zoo. It's completely wild. So these aren't captivity or anything. They're just wild sea lions that come in from the ocean and camp out in this cave. I think it's kind of intriguing how they sit in the water and wait for the wave to push them up to the rock, and then they jump on the rock. That's pretty cool. Oh, wow.
That's pretty.
So one thing we love about this lifestyle are the people that we meet along our travels. This guy next door, his name is Matt, and he came over yesterday and he said, "Hey, I'm going fishing. Do you guys like trout?" And we're like, "Yeah, we like trout." I said, "Okay, if I catch one, I'll bring you back some trout." I'm like, "Okay." So later yesterday evening, about 8:30 or so, he knocked on the door and gave us 3 trout. You can see in this clip, I had them on a smoker. And cooked them up, and they were really good. But kudos, Matt. Thanks again for the trout, and super nice guy. And like I said, it's the people you run into on your journey that make all the difference. And I think I might have to cook Matt up a steak or so before we leave. But anyway, great fish here in Oregon. We had a great meal. Thanks for watching our Journey to Alaska episode 3. There's plenty more of this journey to come, so stay tuned. Until next time, safe travels. Bye.
You're on candid camera.